What's up everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the alert button. That way you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back. If you're watching this, you're probably watching it in reverse and you probably already seen the video that we took to Key West. But anyways, we're heading down to Key West tomorrow and I'm preparing the bike for the journey down there. Now in order to do that, I had to get a new tour pack rack to put on the old Pelican case. So let's get the Pelican case and strap this thing on its new home. Quick, before we put on that Pelican case, I found a couple things off of Amazon that seemed like a pretty good buy, and one of them was a smaller antenna. I can't stand that god-awful gigantic antenna that goes on the back of these street glides and road glides. Let's get rid of that big ugly antenna. Let's go ahead and put this tour pack on. I did the video of me putting together the tour pack. I had a couple of you ask me how much you could fit into this case. So I'm going to show you what I'm packing for the 2-day trip that we're going on. 2 pairs of jeans, a couple pair of shirts, some undershirts, 1 long sleeve, and a pair of socks and shoes. Underwear and toiletries are premium content. You gotta pay for that. As you can see, there's a little bit more room and I'm probably overpacking, but if I rolled it up, I could probably pack more. And last but not least, I picked up this screen protector to protect the screen. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that on. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that alert notification button. That way you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. Now I'm gonna go get some sleep before I take this long ride tomorrow. See you on the next one, guys.